What it do, babies? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a makeup look inspired by the golden hour, our favorite time of day, in rose gold colors. So if you like what you see, keep watching. All right, let's get right into it. So I'm gonna go ahead and start off by priming my eyes with a little Fenty primer. It's a sample. I'll give you guys a description of everything in the description box below. So go ahead and cover that eye completely, top lid and underneath as well, because we're covering everything. We're starting with Unbothered from Colored Raine. It's the Vivid Pigments and Shadows palette, black-owned brand. Just saying. We're gonna go ahead and pack that color all over our lid, right up to the crease. And pack some more. Next, I'm gonna use my black Radiance bronzer, and I'm gonna actually use that as my transition color. I love this color so much. I use it for regular shadow when I don't really feel like doing any color, but I just want kind of like a something on my eye. Use it all the time. But yeah, put that right in the crease and blend, blend, blend. Hashtag blending is life. Also coming back in with that Unbothered just to make sure we don't lose our pigment. Next, I'm gonna hop into my new Nude palette from Huda Beauty. I'm gonna use the colors Crave and Fantasy. They're like pearl encrusted shadow colors. Tried using it with a brush, didn't work. So definitely use your finger for something like this, because it does way better. So I'm packing that on as well, because we want it nice and metallic-y to give off that rose gold sunset vibe. And then we're hopping back into Colored Raine, picking up that sauce, baby. Yeah, we're gonna put the sauce on the V, like the outer V of our eye, just to kind of make that thing pop a little more. Pack on more color, just because we gotta get that shine. That gold gotta like halfway blind people, you dig? And then I hop into my Kinky, and this one is like it's like a satiny kind of color almost. Purpley pinky satiny. That's what I call it. That's what I'm gonna call it. But yeah, pop that into the corners of your eye, just for another little, I guess, splash of off-putting color, but that coordinates. I'm not a makeup artist. I'm just doing this. I'm just putting stuff on here, but it works. going back under that eye with the unbothered color, just to kind of round out the look, add a little more drama. Once you get the color under your eye, we are pretty much done. So I did the rest of my face off camera, and I'm hopping into my cheeks with a Fenty color and a black Radiance color. So the black Radiance, I put it initially on my cheeks and I realized I overdid it. It was very giving clown, giving like real life porcelain doll, and that's not exactly what I wanted. So just kind of blend some of that off with a brush, a clean brush. Yeah, and then it gave me the color that I was looking for. Not too crazy, but just enough, because I still want you to get all the rosiness and the rose golden vibes. Next, I come in with my Fenty. This one is also like a mauve rose gold look. So I use like the more sparkly, more metallic side as a highlighter. Kind of pull that up to my temple a little more, just for a little more drama. Because who don't like drama, honey child? And it always looks good. Popping onto my lips, I use a good old NYX pencil. Can't go wrong with NYX. To line, and of course I'll give you all the names for everything, including the pencil, in the description box below. And then I follow up the NYX with some more Fenty. This is like a mauve color. Mauve, me and mauve is friends. That's all I'm gonna say. Like, I feel like I have a lot of mauve colors, not on purpose, but it be happening that way. So blend that thing. Yes, thank you so much for that, Taylor. We appreciate that. But anyway, grab that finger and blend again. I'm telling y'all, using your finger never goes wrong. If y'all are sleeping on beauty supply products, shame on you. Your wallet would thank you. That's all I'm gonna say. But that color is again, definitely golden. Jesus, God is on. Rose gold look. It's very sparkly. I absolutely love it. But I wanted to add a little bit more shine, so I topped it with some more Fenty, because yeah. And here's our final look. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Hope you loved it. If you did, give me a thumbs up, give me a comment. These damn dogs. Follow me on Instagram at TheeTaymoniq. Bye.